under your spotlight.
Hey guys, I hope you're all doing wonderful. Today I decided to do a Latina kind of makeup look, and so yes, it's also inspired by this girl. I'm gonna put it right here or right here or here or here, whatever. I love her. She is super awesome, and I have done already 3 makeup looks, and 2 of them, which is this one and the other one, is basically the same. I haven't posted any videos on how to make them, but of course this is it's really simple and all that stuff. So I do my contour different than her. She uses all the products that I don't use. I barely have products. It's like basically I'm mixing mud and everything else I find in the way basically. So yeah, I really like this makeup look. This lipstick looks super good with this goldy bronzy, you know, look. I don't know, it just feels so good. It feels so sexy as well. And summer is coming, and if you want to take those kind of pictures in the beach, you know, yeah, because I want to tell you something, I will not wear this kind of makeup to the beach, because I'm here right now and I get sweaty as heck. Like, I'm not gonna go to the beach to sweat and like look on my makeup and be dripping all my makeup to my swimsuit. Hell no, girl. But if you're just going to take some pictures like that, or if you're like going to a photo shoot or something, it has to do summer and you want to be bronzed up, this is the makeup look for you. Like, not the makeup, this is like not the makeup look, because I didn't do anything to my eyes, just one thing only, and then lashes. But basically just like the makeup, how you should do it to achieve what you want. This is my Latina style. And so yes, I am sorry that some of the products are BeautiControl products, and those products are no longer available. But you will have to find a replica or a dupe or a better one than the one that I'm using. So yeah, also I just want to say this before I let you guys go. This product right here is not Smashbox. It's not Smashbox, guys. I call it SmoshBox. This is 2 foundations from BeautiControl together, and I just mix them to get the color that I need. So yes, just like to let you guys know, I don't have any more of this product, and I'm so sad about that. But yes, I'm just gonna shut up. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, keep watching.
There's a universe inside you, so won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you, you should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you, please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. Inside you, so much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation, you should live for all the hype. Oh, well, show me. There's a
we find it. We'll explore in baby steps. There's a universe inside you. You've gotta give it room to breathe.
So let the universe excite you,
'Cause that's the way it's meant to be.
guys, I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you like about this makeup look. If you have heard about this Instagrammer, which I believe you have, she's a really big Instagrammer and very beautiful as well. And other Instagrammers that you have down below that you would like to comment down below, and I can check them out, because I'm all about learning and discovering new people, new talent, new makeup, new look, and all that stuff. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go. God bless you. Have a wonderful day and take care. Bye. I didn't touch my lips because I don't want to, but bye.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.